and many more achievements to come as her journey doesn't end here. She will be joining us for the IMBA program too. My student welfare person to go to always, a very outgoing person who helps her peers, and a lovely senior. Over to you, Sonia.
Thank you so much, Ashika, for those wonderful words. It felt really good hearing such positive words about myself from my junior. Might I add that you and Masumi have done a fantastic job today. This reminds me of my journey in Podar and how I started off from hosting inductions for my juniors and now being called upon as a panelist for the discussion of mental and physical well being. Truly grateful to Podar World College for this opportunity. Being a member of the Podar family is all about developing a sense of connection, belonging, and a well developed support system. Keeping students motivated and content is of utmost priority at Podar. A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Sonia Nigam, a proud student of Podar World College, an active member of the Student Senate for 3 years, the first chairperson of the official Podar World College Cultural Club, head of logistics and quiz during the inter-college event Impulse, and a member of the Mumbai Wolves fan club. At the same time, I've participated in sports and other extracurricular activities while maintaining my grades and securing 6 distinctions in various modules. I can say I'm a hardworking, dedicated, sweet, and a fun-loving person. Today's panel discussion talks about mental and physical wellness. So to start off, I would like to say wellness can be defined as the active pursuit of activities, choices, and lifestyles that lead to a state of holistic health. Here at Podar, we look at 5 aspects of wellness. They are partnerships and support. Leadership, of course, from our beloved dean, chief advisor, academic heads, and teachers. They truly inspire us young adults and shape us into young entrepreneurs. Inclusion is having a sense of belonging that we are a part of the Podar Institute, as well as a part of the University of Wolverhampton. Student voice that includes the Student Senate and participation in various clubs. Partnerships between the parents and Podar, wherein the parents are kept in the loop of their child's development through regular emails and PTMs. And support from the faculty in the form of extra lectures, counseling, and coaching. To explain these points further, I'll be talking about my experience in Podar. The Senate. The Podar Senate is where it all began. I was selected as a class representative in my very third week of college and have been a member ever since. From catering to my class's needs to assisting teachers and making sure the attendance is maintained, the Senate has been a big part of my Podar journey. Now, looking at my journey through the years, I'd like to say that the first year was all about feeling as a part of a family and having a sense of belonging. Right from the induction to industrial visits, the Senate, indoor sports competitions, and the annual day, we felt inclusive and important. Year two was about teamwork and overcoming hardships. Our inter-college event, Impulse, fundraisers for the Indian Development Foundation being the crux of the year, and many group assignments. What an amazing experience it was. But truly, the highlight of the year was the international project that was introduced to us by Mr. Joshua Whale as a part of the University of Wolverhampton's Challenge Academy, where we acted as marketing consultants for Wolves Football Club and Santa's Post Office. Moving on to the third year. Third year was all about happiness and motivation. This is where I felt I really grew as a person. The cultural club and its celebrations were amazing and brought out the true leader in me. But the most beautiful experience I had was the student leadership program, wherein I got the opportunity to teach underprivileged children as a part of a project for the Indian Development Foundation. Every Friday, we got to see 30 sweet smiling faces with such a positive aura and a hunger for learning more. This program has truly taught me a lot and has motivated me to set up my own NGO in the future. Well, looking at this entire college experience, I can say it was pretty different from what I had expected. I expected to be bullied and be stressed with assignments, but the reality was that I was given a lot of group assignments, had a very friendly environment, and had very supporting teachers. You can see through my personal growth chart that I have grown as a person, where my happiness, confidence, and leadership has seen a boom, and it will keep increasing further on. Alongside academic studies, students need to learn to manage day-to-day life experiences, including settling into a new environment, building new relationships and friendships, and managing new responsibilities. For many students, this transition is manageable with the advice and support of family and friends, while some students, however, may not have a solid network of support. So these students can get help from our college senate as well as the club members. Of course, it's natural for such a pivotal and transformative period of life to result in stress and anxiety. But don't worry, because Podar brings a wealth of opportunities for students like you. It's my humble request to the new students to explore all the clubs and events that college provides us with, because these 3 years are your prime time to enjoy and learn new skills. So use it wisely. And I'm truly grateful to Dr. Mrs. Vandana Lulla for providing us with this bundle of joy that is Podar World College. Thank you.